Traders, Anthony here. Interesting price action with the NAS100. Going to do a very quick top down. Okay, this is bullish without a doubt, but look how overextended this is at the moment. Let's go to the daily and then we'll work our way down. Yeah, I like this price action actually. Look at that. Really nice bullish price action. Yeah, we're getting the swings. I'm looking for these price swings where we see, wow, you know, rally, retrace, rally, retrace, rally up here, retrace. That's happening quite nicely. We're getting the retrace. So this is definitely risk on, and it's moving forward quite nicely. So we go down to the 4H. Okay, so here's the thing on the 4-hour time frame. I'm always wary when I see a lower high, and look at this, break of market structure bearish. Alright, so we have now a lower low, lower high. This is trending down at the moment. You've got a couple of options with this. Have a look, and always look at this trend. See, this is trending up, right? That's trending up, obviously, without a doubt. But we've got this break of structure right there, trending down now. There's two things that could happen with this. One, right, we get that. I really think it'll pull back. It might not. I mean, it could push off from here. But the way that I would like to get involved with this would be this trend to shift gears. Let's just grab the trend tool here. And I want to see this rotate and start trending up. Okay, at the moment it's not trending up, guys. So you know we don't want to get caught in that. So we want to see this rotation. So how's that going to look? Well, let's go down to the 30-minute. Get a bit closer to it. See this high. I want to see this high taken out before I get, well, there's two sorry, not break of structure. It's just a 30-minute. It's a daily. It'll be a daily high. I want to see this high get taken out. Now it could either carry on from here north, possibly. Okay, that's one possibility. The other possibility is it trades back down in here. Look at this thin candle, nothing left and right here. We've got this imbalance on the 30-minute time frame. That could be a target, so just watch out for that. Market's looking for liquidity. There's liquidity under here, tons of it. Stops, okay, sell stops under here. That's big liquidity and an imbalance. Target, the market's looking for one, liquidity. It needs liquidity, and it's looking to rebalance, right? So it could trade back down in here, rebalances, picks up these stops and trades off. So if that's the case, then, and watch this. This is trending down here, see? Right, so we just see if that's a thing. Wait for it to range. All right, and then that could be the other option. So it either pushes off from here and we get that, or it trades south. Now, my entry point, if it does pull back further, is going to be the break of market structure when this starts to shift gears. In fact, this one here, that would be potential entry point. When you start to see higher highs, higher lows forming, you know, on a rotation around here like that. Okay, that's when you can consider getting involved, right? If it trades back down. Now, if it pushes from here bullish, the way that I would want to get involved with this would be the retest. It'd be the retest of this high here. All right, so that could be a thing. So the break of market structure, this will be the break of structure, bullish here. Okay, bullish break of structure, and then, you know, you could look for the retest of a high entry point there. Right, so if it pushes off, there's an entry. If it trades further south, then wait for this rotation. Now, it could happen here, it could happen a bit lower. Right, wherever this happens to set up. Okay. All right, so we've got two possibilities here with the NAS100. Guys, that's pretty much it. I'd love you to comment. I really enjoy, the community and people sharing their ideas. Let's, support each other. And with that, I hope you have a fantastic day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.